Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. So today is about floor coverings and most especially tile and the popularity of looking at tile as a natural sort of organic look in your home, which is what we're getting a lot of requests for. So what that means is there's a lot of choices out there, but the ones we're seeing a lot are like the cement look. And that's really good when you do large format tiles or even like the extra large format tiles.
What that means basically is large format is really anything longer than 24, wider than 15 or 18, and extra large is like a 2x4 tile. So you're putting really large pieces down, so it just doesn't look like the standard 8x8 tiles like we all grew up with.
And then it looks like it's all concrete, but it's not. It's more of a ceramic tile, and it replicates the look of cement. So that looks really, really sharp. Another look that people like to have that's more of an organic look is wood looking tile. So it comes in planks of different sizes, and then you can keep it together like a true wood floor where it's very small grout lines, right. And you can have any style. You like vintage.
What's nice about the wood tile now is they use, I think, a 3D printing. So when you look at it, it could look like it's got grains and divots or something like old wood, but then when you go to feel it, it's not. So it's a really cool look if you're trying to do wood, but you need something really durable, a pool or some place really active where kids are running around.
Bathroom, kitchen, wet areas, and it looks great running all along the house as well too.
Yep.
And you're right, you have to touch it to even see that it actually is not real hardwood floor.
Right.
So another look is marble, replicating the look of marble, but it's actually tile. So again, those look beautiful when they're large format. You can do them in a 12 by 24, but some of them are made in such large formats now that they're putting it on the wall, so it could be like in place of wallpaper or something like that, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Looks like marble, but it's not. It's tile.
Yeah, so it's a really nice look, especially when you want that marble look in a bathroom, and you can get the porcelain or ceramic marble look that maybe has a little bit of texture to it, so it's not slippery too. So you're kind of achieving a whole bunch at once. So getting a natural look with a man-made product is really gaining in popularity now. So we're seeing a lot of that these days.
Yeah, and the other part of that is you have a lot less grout lines when you have the larger format. So whether it's the cement, the wood, or the marble look, but that's what we're seeing, and it's a nice way to kind of shift it. In some cases, depending, it could be less expensive than the actual products themselves. Having like wood versus wood tile, it just depends on your selection. So
that's right.
Yeah. So we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Remodel Your Thinking. Maybe we got you to think a little bit differently about remodeling, and you learned
something new that you didn't know yesterday.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us, and of course follow us on all the social media stuff that I don't understand.
Yes.
There you go. Thanks.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.